Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to fix P2177 System 2 Lean Off Idle Bank number 1. The first common reason why you're getting P2177 is going to be a vacuum leak. Vacuum leak is most noticeable at idle and at low speed. So even if you have a big vacuum leak or a small vacuum leak, you're still going to get P2177. The first place I recommend checking for a vacuum leak, it is going to be right at the intake manifold area. Either you're going to have bad vacuum hoses, you're going to have bad intake manifold gasket, you're going to have bad throttle body gasket, you're going to have bad brake booster or a bad brake booster, you're going to have bad brake booster hose, you're going to have a bad fuel injector seal or bad PCV hose, and so on. The next thing you should check for is for a bad mass airflow sensor. If the mass airflow sensor is bad or it is dirty, in most cases it is going to trigger a rich code, but sometimes it can also trigger a lean code as well. So make sure to check for a dirty mass airflow sensor, and also make sure it is not faulty by checking the wires. The next reason why you're getting P2177 code is because maybe you have a fuel delivery issue. Maybe the fuel filter is clogged. Maybe you have a stuck closed fuel injector on bank number 1. Maybe you have a bad fuel pressure regulator. Or you might have a failing fuel pump. And if the fuel pump is failing and the motor is becoming weak, it is going to spin slower, so it is going to cause low fuel pressure. The next reason is maybe you have a bad oxygen sensor, or maybe you have a bad fuel ratio sensor. It depends what vehicle you're driving. So of course, always make sure to check for additional code and make sure that the oxygen sensor or the fuel ratio sensor is not causing the issue. If you're getting P2177, it is likely that you're going to get other codes as well, such as maybe an engine misfire code. The reason is because if you have a vacuum leak, most likely you're going to get P0300, random misfire code, or let's just say you have a stuck closed fuel injector, that can also trigger another code as well. So if you're getting P2177 System 2 Lean Off Idle Bank number 1, always think about what is causing lean codes on bank number 1 or on cylinder number 1 side. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.